of dreaming about that sleek, shiny dream car while your bank account weeps in the corner? Well, get ready to shift gears and buckle up because we've got the ultimate guide that will turbocharge your budgeting skills and put you on the fast track to buying your dream car without breaking the bank. Get ready to drive your way to savings. Did you know that the average new car price at the beginning of 2023 is $49,388? That's an 18% increase from December 2021. And if you're eyeing a mid-size SUV or a pickup truck, you might have to shell out even more. The median price for a Toyota Highlander was $42,000, and for a Ford F-Series pickup truck, it was a whopping $64,500 among Cars.com dealers in December 2022. That's enough to make anyone's wallet cry. Now, we're about to embark on an adrenaline-fueled adventure that will transform your car buying dreams into a reality. Whether you're a penny-pinching pro or a newbie to the world of budgeting, this video is your passport to driving off into the sunset with your dream car in tow. In this exhilarating journey in car-computer exchange, we'll be your co-pilots, navigating the winding roads of financial responsibility and unveiling the secrets to budgeting like a champ. Say goodbye to endless hours of scrolling through car listings and hello to a strategic roadmap that will take you from dreaming to owning in no time. But hold on tight because we're not just going to talk about budgeting. We're going to turbocharge your knowledge with insider tips, tricks, and strategies that will have you maneuvering the car buying process like a seasoned pro. From assessing your financial situation to negotiating the best deals and everything in between, we've got your back every step of the way. So, prepare to revitalize your budget, kick your saving skills into high gear, and hit the accelerator towards your dream car. It's time to buckle up because this is the ultimate guide to budgeting and buying your dream car. Let's hit the road and drive our way to savings. Assessing your financial situation. The thrilling world of personal finance. We're about to dive headfirst into the exhilarating task of assessing your financial situation. But don't worry, this isn't a boring lecture on spreadsheets and calculators. We're here to make it fun, relatable, and informative, like discovering a secret stash of cash in your winter coat pocket. First things first, let's take a peek under the hood of your personal finances. We'll walk you through the steps to evaluate your financial well-being and determine just how many zeros you can comfortably slap on that dream car price tag. We're talking about factors like income, expenses, and savings. It's like being a detective, uncovering clues about your financial health, but without the magnifying glass and Sherlock Holmes hat. Setting a realistic budget. Now that we've got a handle on your financial situation, it's time to set sail on the budgeting seas. But fear not, matey. This isn't some treacherous voyage to cut back on every little pleasure in life. We're here to show you how to set a realistic budget that doesn't feel like a straitjacket for your wallet. We'll share some juicy tips and tricks for crafting a budget that aligns with your financial goals. We're talking about budgeting methods that won't make you want to jump ship, like the 50-30-20 rule or the envelope system. Plus, we'll throw in some nifty budgeting tools that will make you feel like a financial wizard, crunching numbers with a flick of your wand. Okay, maybe not a wand, but a smartphone app will do the trick. Researching and comparing cars. Now that your budget is in order, it's time to chart a course towards the perfect car for you. But hey, we're not just going to send you off blindly into the vast sea of car options. We've got your back, Captain. We'll give you some stellar tips for researching and comparing cars based on your needs and preferences. From figuring out if you need a minivan for all those kids, to a sleek convertible to let your hair fly in the wind, we'll help you navigate the tricky waters of car options. And hey, don't forget the treasure map. We'll share some fantastic resources for comparing prices, features, and reliability. It's like having a car buying GPS that leads you straight to the treasure chest of your dream car. Ahoy there, fellow car enthusiasts! Before we continue our thrilling journey through the wild seas of budgeting and buying your dream car, let me ask you this. Are you ready to unleash your inner car-savvy pirate and conquer the treacherous waters of negotiation and financing? Or are you still searching for the hidden chest of knowledge that will help you secure the best deal? Drop anchor for a moment and let us know in the comments below. We're all in this together, me hearties. Negotiating and financing. Avast, me hearties, we're entering the choppy waters of negotiation and financing. But fear not, because we've got some cunning strategies up our sleeves to help you secure the best price at the dealership. It's like playing a high-stakes game of pirate poker, but instead of doubloons, you're betting on getting that sweet deal. And don't worry, we won't leave you stranded on a deserted island of confusing financing options. We'll explain the ins and outs of financing and show you how to hoist the Jolly Roger of the best loan terms. It's all about empowering you to make smart financial decisions, savvy mate. Saving on car expenses. Ahoy, budget-conscious sailors! We've reached the golden shores of saving on car expenses. Don't you just love it when you can keep more doubloons in your treasure chest? We thought so. We'll share some savvy tips for reducing those car-related expenses that can drain your pockets faster than a cannonball. From finding the best insurance rates to keeping up with maintenance without walking the plank of excessive costs, we've got you covered. And hey, let's not forget about the long-term booty. Fuel efficiency, and depreciation. We'll give you the lowdown on how to choose a car that won't gobble up your precious treasure over time. Making the purchase. Arr, matey, we've arrived at the moment you've been waiting for, the purchase itself. But don't jump overboard with excitement just yet. We're here to guide you through the car buying process like a seasoned sailor navigating treacherous waters. We'll show you how to test drive like a pro, negotiate with the finesse of Blackbeard, and dot all the I's and cross all the T's when finalizing the deal. Plus, we'll remind you of all the important paperwork and considerations you need to keep in mind to avoid any hidden krakens lurking beneath the surface. It's all about making sure you sail away with your dream car and no unwanted surprises. Maintaining financial health. Avast, ye savvy spender! Now that you're the proud owner of your dream car, it's time to keep your financial ship sailing smoothly. We'll remind you to stay within your budget, resist the siren's call of impulsive spending, and prioritize financial stability. But fear not, this isn't a lecture from Captain Buzzkill. We'll encourage you to keep up the good habits you've learned on this journey. Ongoing budgeting, responsible financial decisions, and the occasional reward for staying on track are all part of the Pirate's Code for maintaining financial health. And there you have it, landlubbers. You've successfully navigated the choppy seas of budgeting and buying your dream car. But remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to automotive adventures. If you've enjoyed this thrilling ride and want to continue exploring the exciting world of cars, budgets, and all things automotive, then be sure to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing to Car Computer Exchange, you'll never miss out on our future swashbuckling videos filled with tips, tricks, and plenty of witty banter to keep you entertained on your quest for automotive excellence. So, raise the Jolly Roger of subscription, click that bell icon to stay notified, and join our crew of savvy car enthusiasts. Together, we'll sail the high seas of automotive knowledge and make your dream car a reality. Anchors away and happy motoring.